In case of RCC frame structure, large span areas are possible. But in case of load-bearing structure, large span areas are not possible. Height. In case of RCC frame structure, there is no restriction on height. But in case of load-bearing structure, height is limited and it is suitable for 2 to 3 stories only. Speed of construction. Speed of construction for RCC frame structure is more, whereas speed of construction for load-bearing structure is slow and time-consuming. Room dimensions. In case of RCC frame structure, there is flexibility in changing room dimensions. But in case of load-bearing structure, it is not possible to change room dimensions. Cantilever element. In case of RCC frame structure, cantilever element can be easily provided. But in case of load-bearing structure, inclusion of cantilever element is difficult and permitted up to short span only. Additional enclosure. RCC frame does not provide additional enclosure to water, fire, sound and heat, and infill walls are needed to provide the same. Whereas load-bearing structure provides additional enclosure to water, fire, sound and heat. Life. In case of RCC frame structure, life is reduced if not done properly. But in case of load-bearing structure, life is less affected with the technique of work. Foundation cost. In case of RCC frame structure, there is no much increase in the cost with increase in depth of foundation. Whereas foundation cost of load-bearing structure is more than RCC frame structure if depth of foundation increases beyond a limit, say more than 1.2 to 1.5 meter. Cost. RCC frame structure is economical for multi-story building, whereas load-bearing structure is economical up to 2-story only. So friends, I hope I have covered all the differences between load-bearing and RCC frame structure in this video. Like this video if you learned something and be sure to share it with someone who might benefit from it. If you have any suggestions, you can mention it in the comment section. Subscribe to Engineering Motive for more such videos and turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss the new video. Finally, thanks for watching.